We are live. What's up, everybody? Happy Friday. Live trading futures. You know what time it is. Listen, I wanted to shut the chat off so I can focus on the charts, but unfortunately, for me to be able to shut the chat off, I was supposed to pre-program it, so it won't let me. So we're going to have to deal with it. My system will handle the chat. I will try the hardest not to look at the chat, but what's up, everybody? Good morning. Happy Friday again. So we're trading MES. I really want to do NQ or MNQ, but I know a lot of you accounts are small, and whatever the issue is, it is what it is. So right now it is 8:55 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and futures market is open, but we'll talk about that in a second. I do want to comment on something right now. Remember, I will be live tonight 8 p.m. I will not break down my trade. We will take 1 to 3 good trades, manage our risk properly, and that's what we will do today. So boom. Just so we're clear, I know many of you want to know how everything happens. Very, very simple. Use the free course, daytradeprofessor.com. Simple. Then get this book, and then the others, and then come to class. Please follow that protocol. That is the protocol. That's just how it works. So keep that in mind. Boom. So now that we got that conversation out of the way, the next thing we have to talk about is... What's wrong?
Keep shaking.
I gotta chill. It's me. I'm just too aggressive. You know how it is. So next thing, that's what it is. Cool? So now, understand one thing. I know many of you like the appeal of NQ. I get it. I traded NQ yesterday. I made a little bit. But understand that we are in the TRUMP market. We are in this tariff, this Fed interest rate, this complete volatility across the board. India-Pakistan war, China-Russia having meetups over there. All that good stuff is happening across the board. So what I want you to understand is manage your risk. You know what's interesting? I took a week off from trading because I was taking advantage of the markets. I felt, what did I say to you? What was the exact thing I said to you while I took a break?
You were taking it for granted.
I was taking it for granted, where I was like, this is easy. This is what, I'm like, yo, back up. Back up. You know you shouldn't be thinking like that. You will get slapped in the face. So I backed off for a week. And I traded yesterday and I had a great time. It was well. I was like, there it is. I appreciate it again. Many of us, unfortunately, become unappreciative of something that provides us with so much good things. That's what I would tell you. Can you help me with $200? Please block him. No excuses. Block. I don't like beggars in my chat. Block that guy. Cedric, hasta luego. This is not a begging stream. Don't do that here. Don't do that here. All right, so let's rock and roll. Okay, I can't shut the chat off even if I tried, so we got to deal with that. It is what it is. So boom, we're live on IG, and I'm assuming X, madam?
Yes.
Oh, okay, so boom. So let's do it. Let's do it. Oh no, it logged me out. Oh, sacre bleu. I can't have my account number show up. All right, I'm going to have to... Wait, are you logging me back in? Hey, I'm logged back in. Okay, God. Okay, God. All right, so I'm talking to IG. IG, I'm going to cut this live off in maybe 5 more minutes. And then X... Move over to YouTube. Everybody move over to YouTube. So let's rock and roll. Ticker is MES, exclamation point. Let me get my multiple time frames here. Let's clear out all of this. Okay, trading view. I will take, let's see if the volume is on. So you guys can hear when I enter volume is on. Cool. All right. That's good to go. So MES1, exclamation point. Boom. Thanks for dismissing those who want to waste your time. Of course, Tariq. I don't put up with BS, bro. I've been doing this for 12 years. I don't put up with anyone's nonsense. That's why if you notice, the chat is 99.9% of the time clean. Because I don't put up with it. This is not a place for shenanigans. Go somewhere else with that childish BS.
Put the screen on top of that because you keep reading the chats.
I'll ignore the chat.
No, you won't.
I won't ignore the chat?
You won't ignore it.
Alright, my assistant said hide the chat.
Yes, hide it.
Are you going to manage the chat?
Yeah.
Alright. Block any of this nonsense.
Yeah, I will.
Okay. Like, I don't like these beggars in the chat.
Yeah, there we go.
Alright.
Much better. You're driving me insane trying to read it.
Alright. I got to focus on the chart. We got to make money today. Alright, cool. Let me set up multiple time frames here. Let me set up multiple time frames here. So again, for those of you that have the book, we're going to talk about it in a second. Hold on. Let me just get my charts active here first. Hold on. What the freak? Why am I not? Oh, there it is. Give me a second, ladies and gentlemen. Hold up. Oh no, damn it. Close YouTube. Sacre bleu. Thank God we're here early, so it's all good, baby. It's all good, baby. You know, just drop the link for the free course and stuff like that, please.
Yeah, don't worry about that.
No, I'm just saying. I know, I'm not. All right, cool. So now that's ready to go. We got that. So now I finished that conversation. So let's rock and roll. Everyone should have this book out. And I'm going to now do my analysis of the market. And then from there, when the setup comes to us, take the trade. Oh, by the way, let me test out if everything's working first. Let me do that first. Hold on. One share, yeah. Let's do one contract. Let's see if the sound happens. Let's zoom in. I got my level set already. I'll give you that in a second. I'll give you that. Can you guys see the levels? No? Okay, let's bring the smart board in closer. Cool. As you can see, the P&L you can see is 0, 0, open 0, daily 0. Didn't take any trades yet. You'll see everything. So let's test it out. I got my clicker here. Let's test it out. I'm just going to get in. Is it off? It's off. All right, I'm doing a test. Okay, everyone calm down. Don't take a trade. I'm just testing to see if everything's working. I got my clicker to make sure I don't make a mistake. It's called a finger mouse. Just Google it before someone says, "Hi, what is that?" All right, let's see. Let's not have what happened last time happen again, Jesus. All right, so there's the sound, and it shows up right there. We are up $2.50 and hit sell. I'm out the trade. Sorry?
The button.
What button?
The red ones.
What about them?
Don't click.
Oh, okay. So it works. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. It works. So I'll be able to get out with the push of a button. Listen, I learned from my mistake. If you watched the last time I was live, you know what happened. I learned from mistakes. So boom on that one. So now that's done. Let me analyze the market. Let me shut this off. Cool. Now, let's do it. So you all should have this book. No discounts anymore unless you're a mentorship student. So please don't ask. That's it. My assistant's like, you're taking too many losses on the book sales by giving away such discounts. So I was like, all right, she's not wrong. My accountant even's like, yo. So I'm not getting into that, but no more discounts. This is super high quality, so I'm done. So here you go. This is the book. The link is being dropped in the chat right now. I'm going to journal. This is exactly the checklist you need to follow. So let me start that. We got time till the market is, well, the market's open, but you know what I mean, 9:30. So let's go. Adam, can you tell me the date today?
Yeah, 5/9/25.
Thank you. All right, ticker is MES1 exclamation point. By the way, I'm not looking at the chat. My assistant is. I've covered the chat. So if anyone's going to say something, I'm not looking at it. MES1 exclamation point. Entry not yet. Stop loss not yet. We're going to do, depending on the setup, I'm going to do 20 contracts. So 20 cons, profit loss, nothing, long short, nothing. All right, so let me do my analysis. If you have the book, you know how to do it yourself, so you should be doing it as well. So I'm going to do it on my phone because I'm not messing this up right now. I'm just going to let this rock. I set this up already. So I'm just going to do my analysis from my Z Fold 6. As you can see, I love this thing. I don't sponsor Samsung. I just love it. I just trade on this all day now. I'm in the back of my driver's car. Boom, boom, boom. Everywhere I go, boom, boom, boom. So this is my thing. Oh, choppy market. Damn it. Keep that in mind. A lot of sideways action for the past 2 days. We are stuck in a range. I don't like that. I don't like that. We're at a key level of resistance right now. We're in the sell zone. Okay, cool. We have to break. So the level, let me write this down. The levels to watch are, let me give it to you. Can you guys see them? No, it's too small. I'll give it to you. Here are the levels to watch for today. A major level of resistance in this zone right here is 5,711. By the way, for those probably saying, what ticker is he doing? It's in the thumbnail, the title. Now, if we can't read a thumbnail, I'm going to be nice. I'm going to be nice. I'm going to be nice. That's 5,711, and this resistance is 5,732.50. I'll give you the bottom support, the buy zone. We have more, but we'll focus on this for now. 5,68700. So there you go. There it is right there for you. You guys can write that down, or you can put it on your chart as well and follow along after I take my trades and I end the live. And I'll see you at 8 p.m. tonight. I will go over the trades for today. Whatever happens today, we're just going to take some good trades. All right. You got a knock going on that, okay? It wants to break through that 5,000. I'm not going to say 5,000. I'm just going to say 711, 732.50. I'm not going to say the full number. Okay. We're in a range from yesterday, but we are bullish. We're overextended. We are bullish. Knock going. Can't take any trades. Damn. I usually like to take a trade between 9:05 a.m. Eastern to 9:25 a.m. Eastern. I'm getting hot, madam. Can you put this blazer away, please? You can put it behind your chair, no worries. All right.
Do you want the fan that you bought?
No. You know how not loud that's gonna be? Yeah, no, I'm fine.
It's too loud.
It's way too loud. All right, I'm gonna just fill out my checklist, so bear with me for a few minutes. Definitely. Nope.
I'm gonna end the live.
All right, Instagram, move over to YouTube. We're ending this live. See you. And save it too, please. Thank you. Stay here. Oh, I know what you're about to do. You should have got me with some pictures with the blazer on. Oh, let me check that. Oh, this is why I like the checklist. You want some pictures of me wearing it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Focus on me.
No, I'm not in a trade right now. I know, I'm focused. All right, guys, my assistant's taking some pictures. I'm focused. No, I know. Thank you. No, stay on top of me. I appreciate that. Stay on top of me for that. All right, cool. Checked. Yep. Of course. Yep. Yes. Let me check that. Hell yeah. You know, when I was a kid, 18, 19, I worked for Singapore Airlines. I was a load controller. If you don't know what that is, that's the guy that puts the luggage in certain places. But I didn't physically do it. I did it on the computer. And we always had a checklist to check, and I had to sign. And God forbid if something happened, manslaughter charges. If the plane ever went down and it found out it was my fault. So literally, I would sign my life away before every flight on Singapore Airlines. This checklist literally reminds me of that. All right, cool. Checked it. Yes. Checked it. Not yet. Yep. Not yet. Slept well? Okay. Had breakfast? Okay. Calm, of course. Yep. All right. Ready to go. So I am looking at a long now. Now that I'm done with the breakdown, I need the 7-11 to break. So that's what I'm looking forward to. That is my trade breakdown right now. The break of 7-11. So let's go. I see that resistance is happening right there. I need 7-11 to break. And let me zoom in more for you guys. By the way, full transparency, I'm up $1. I'm up $1. We green. We making big money. So yeah, we green. All right. So we're having that battle right there. So boom. Boom, let me go full screen actually. No, will I still be able to buy and sell? I don't think so. Oh, I still can buy and sell. Cool. I can still buy. Let me see. Can you see the guy's chart? Okay, cool. All right, cool. And yep, you guys can see the chart. All right, now all we do is wait. All we do is wait. By the way, I have two mouses. I got this finger one and this smaller one right here. So yeah.
You can take it off if you want.
Yeah? Okay. I was fine. I'm fine actually. Okay. Again, I'm not going short right now. I need some clear moves. We don't go against the trend. We don't go against the trend. Okay, we're good. We're not going to go against the trend. All right, let me get is the mouse. Where are you, mouse? Okay, here it is. I have a backup, by the way. I'm not playing. No mistakes. I got a backup just in case. If this fails me, I got this. This fails me, I got this. So we got both ready to go. I'm not trying to... Remember, there's people actively watching for my downfall, so I got to give them a good show, right? I got to give them a good show. All right, so nothing yet. We're not going to go short just because it denied that 7-Eleven. Even though that is my sell zone. If you notice... Did I write it? I'm pretty sure I wrote it. There it is. Look. Sell zone. I'll make it bigger for you guys. I'll make it bigger. There you go. So there it is. But you don't go against the trend. By the way, TRUMP could tweet anything. I know. TRUMP can tweet anything, and there goes that. Now we wait. Now we wait. Just like you, every part of me wants to hit sell. Sorry, hit sell. Go short. Every part of me wants to go short. But you don't go against the trend. Every part of me wants to take this trade. I'm not going to. We're going to wait. We're going to wait. This area is very key. Very key. If we break that 7-Eleven, rocket ship. We wait. Let's see. When the market opens, let's see some moves. But damn, did I do a good job over here? Look at that. I know levels don't work. I know. I know. By the way, if you're looking at the charts, MES, that 725 candle on the 5-minute, damn, homie. Woo! Talk about volatility. That just one I could just show you here. What am I doing? I feel like, here. You want to talk about the market we're in? This one candle. Look at this one. And then look at this one. I'm on the 1-minute time frame. My God. My God. All right. Again, nothing I can do right now. Nothing I can do right now. And I'm not going to short just because it's in my sell zone rejecting it now. No. We have to do everything kosher. Everything's bullish as hell. But that resistance level, man, that thing is strong. By the way, if this goes the other way, don't bother messaging, oh, your analysis is wrong. Listen, you low frequency individual. Listen, because I see that comments, right? Because I'll say my bias, my direction is this, and it does the other way. You can change direction. You've never been on a highway, and you were supposed to take one exit, you missed the exit, so you take the next exit, and then guess what? You accidentally get on the wrong highway, and you have to take that exit to get back on the other side. Trading is the same way. Don't be on such a high horse where you think you know it all. Please, I don't act like I do. So chill out with the hate comments later. Whatever happens today happens. Chill out with those. You're talking to someone that does not give a crap about your perspective. I'm just being honest. Does this have minerals in it? Thank you. You know, I'm happy. I've been up since 3:30 in the morning. I went to bed really early. Woke up, worked out, then worked out again, did some YouTube stuff. Now I'm here. But if you notice, I was a little upset here in the morning. I was like, oh no, Chop City within this range. You see where that zone is? But then it broke out, and then cool. I guess I did a good job with my levels here. Look at that rejection, but no, we're not doing that. We're not going to go against the trend. We are not going against the trend. We're going to make a little bit of money, and that's it. By the way, I'm not looking at the chat, but I'll look at it later. Where are you? By the way, you get this poster when you buy the Just Sit Sell book. You having problems selling? Just the Just Sit Sell book. You get this poster for free. Flip the chat. Where are you on this in your life as a trader? What level are you on consistently? God, I'll keep it up for a little bit because nothing's happening. I can't take any trades right now. Boom. Where are you? I'm going to look at the chat because there's nothing to do right now.
Okay.
There's literally nothing I can do right now. All right, guys, I'm going to look at the chat because there's nothing I can do right now. I'm just playing a waiting game. I'm playing a waiting game. James Bond says, what ticker is this? See, if you weren't here, I would have blocked him. He clicked on a thumbnail that said the ticker on it. Do you understand what I mean by that? Shows. No, I know it's fine. I'm just saying. People don't read. It literally says it there, but that's all I'm saying. Because that person might be a problem later on. See what I'm saying? I can't have someone like that sign up for my class and they can't read.
It's okay.
No, I know. I'm just saying. Level 2, level 1, cool. Careful, Professor. The market's choppy. That's what I said, Michael. I said the same thing, bro. I said the same thing. I said the exact same thing. Everyone, be chill today. We have chop. Professor, how do you know when it is knock, knock, boom? Read the book, Tay. It's all in the book. Nancy Pelosi is that. Oh, shit. I love Nancy Pelosi. I think he's great. She's great. Oh, my God. I love I love California. I love Democrats. Oh, damn. I shouldn't have said that woman's name. One of my videos that got the lowest views, I put her name in there. And it literally didn't move. Like, it didn't move.
Just say you love her.
I do. I love her. I think she's doing a great job. I love Gavin Newsom. I love all of them. Shit, I shouldn't have said her name. You don't mess with that woman. No, I know what I'm saying. Damn, I got in trouble with saying her name last time.
Rewire the algorithm.
Yeah. Okay, keep going. Boricua, what's up? Thanks for taking the time to do this. You got it, Delco. Market has hard on last 2 months, but here we are. Yes, that's what I'm trying to tell you. 200 of you guys here right now. A good trader exits when he is wrong. A great trader changes direction. I like that. Who said that, Horns? I like that. Why are you laughing?
Through the chat, they're laughing.
Oh, because of what I say. I'm not trying to get in trouble. I love all the people. I love everybody. I ain't trying to get in trouble today. Market opens in 12 minutes. By the way, you got my attention right now. Flood the chat if you got any specific questions. I'm here. Professor, the issue is not that you get it wrong. Is that a previous live you longed into your own resistance? I know. I was messed up, Alfred. I know what I did. In the chaos of making the first mistake, so I learned and I got one of these. Michael, why are you telling him to be careful? He's the professor. Thank you, Alfred. Thank you for doing this. You got it, Sal. You got it. What's up, Goran? What's up, my Australian brother? Goran, you said you're coming to Mexico. You didn't sign up. Which one you coming to? Because I want to know if I'm getting my chocolates. Any tips to spot the chalky market? Cameron, read the book. It's in the book. Read the book. Read any of the books. Read any of the books. Read any of the books. It's all in the books. And no discounts. So don't ask. Professor, thank you for taking out the time to share. You got it. You got it, Alex, of course. By the way, even though I'm not in the trade, let's zoom in a little bit. Did I do a good job in the zone, in the levels? A penny away, a couple, 25 cents away. Did I do a good job? You know, I'm going to be straight. If I wasn't live, of course I would have taken the short. If I wasn't live. I would have did NQ. Like what? I'm not even a minute and made a little bit. Literally. Because I know that level at 7-Eleven is extremely strong. Professor, you are very handsome today. Mr. Park, I don't know if Tay or Ty, if that's a boy or girl name, so I don't know, but appreciate it. Appreciate it. Let's go, Professor. Thanks for being honest. I'm always honest. Because you know what it is? Delco, I'm not here to be liked. I've never been here to be liked. I'm just here to tell the truth. Not sure yet, brother. I understand. Professor, are you near Europe in a future? What's up, Slovenia? No, New York or Mexico in the summer, bro. My next class starts in 3 weeks. So no Europe. Is your free course plus book enough to save up for the... Yes. I don't know how to say your name, bro. Ovidius. I don't know if that's from the Netherlands or Iceland, but when I was in Iceland, almost everyone had that kind of name. But try the free course in the book and see, yes, that should be enough to get you in line to come to the class. Send me your address. I'll send you... No, Goran, no. I want to hug you and take the chocolate. Don't send me down. I don't want that. Papi, I could buy the chocolate. It's you, really. I'm just messing with you. Let's go to the real question. Professor, where do you get your hair cut? Finance, I can't tell you that, bro. I can't tell you where I go. I'm sorry. If you're a mentorship student, I'll mention it, but I can't publicly talk about where I be traveling and where I be going on a day-to-day basis. Salam alaikum salam. Why Mexico? Why not? Why not? Professor, what made some money yesterday and now I'm scared to... Mr. X, lower your position size. Bro, Mr. X, let me talk to you. You are like a boat at the harbor. You're at a boat at the harbor. Boats, yachts, ships were not built to be at the harbor. The ships were built to go out and sea, to explore, to discover, to fish, to go to war. You have to go to war. You are no safer at the harbor than you are at war in the ocean. A tsunami, a flood, anything. Teenagers with no real dad or no real parents, they'll come and ruin your boat at the harbor. Do you understand what I'm saying? You were built to go and fight. That ship of yours is built to go fight a war. Stop it, you're too scared. A girl name? I'm a dude, my brother, you got it right. I'm just making sure, bro. What the hell, Mr. Park? We live in a weird world. No disrespect, Mr. Park. No disrespect. No disrespect at all. Please come to Africa. I've been to Africa 3 times. I already did mentorships in Africa, Papi. Where you been? Looking sharp. Guys, forget the sharp comments. Focus. Except turning around on the highway doesn't cost money. Yes, it does. Gas money. What you mean? What platform do you use as a trader? Drop the link in my bio, daytradeprofessor.com. I'm not going to say her name. I'm going to say her last name. Miss Paulino, Miss Paulino. Everything's linked in my bio. Everything's linked in my bio. Just drop the link for her. I'm not going to say that first name. Alfred, thanks. Professor's great, but even the best make mistake in choppy market. I was being thoughtful. No, it's all good, Michael. I appreciate it. No, you guys are looking out. Come on. Look after each other. Stop it. Don't take anything the wrong way down there. I know, I'm just saying. I know. TradeStation. No, I'm using Webull right now. I like TradeStation. I like Webull. I like the analytics on Webull. That's just what it is. They're both the same. Being scared is rooted in not being able to follow a plan. Correct. Professor, you keep the same position size for all your... No, it depends. Sabi, it depends. You know what's funny? If I took this trade and now that it's going sideways, I could have hit sell and go. That's it. End of life. You know I hate being here for too long.
Yeah.
Thank you. You're welcome, Paulino. Miss Paulino. Market open in 6 minutes. Thank you, Eric. What are you trading new here? MES1 exclamation. The GOAT. Appreciate you, Manuel. Hey, Professor, make sure to tell everyone not to put their stop loss at... Of course. Listen, I will tell you one thing right now. Try your best today. In everything you do. You saved a live, right? Posted it? Thank you. Are we live on X?
You can't save a live.
Share the live. You know what I mean.
Yeah.
Are we on X?
Yes.
How many people are watching?
22.
Yo, X people, why are you here? Go to YouTube, bro. Day Trade Professor. Get off the X. Get on the YouTube. It's HD, 4K, higher quality, bro. Go there. Hello from Slovakia. What's up, Helena? I like that name. Helena. Hello from Slovakia. Hope you have more Europeans. I have a lot of European students. Australian, European, America, of course. I have Africans. All over the earth. All over the earth. But back to what I was saying. The market under TRUMP for the next 3.5 years, and if he's elected again, if he wants to do what he wants to do, he says 8 more years. I'm not messing with that joke. But first time watching you, welcome, Subby. In TSLL, thank you, bro. You're welcome, Manuel, of course. I have a level exactly on this price now. Let's go, Khalil. A boat is safer in the harbor, but is it what is that? That's what I just said, Shaquille, 100%. So we have to manage our risk properly and go easy on yourself. The markets are not going anywhere. I took a week off, for God's sakes. Now I'm back. And there it goes further. It's breaking through that consolidation. You know what I hate? This is why I don't like going live on these things. I would have been done already. I took this trade is my trade would have been entry right here for the short, stop loss above there, stop loss above there, and out at this consolidation.
I saw it too, and I was like, why?
It's okay. I gotta do the right thing
It's too high.
because it's no, everything is overall in an uptrend. I'm not going against the trend. I have to teach good values, even though I would have been in this trade for a minute. NQ. No, I know, but I gotta teach good habits. You know what I'm saying? I would have been out in a minute, but some of these people watching are brand new. They're brand new and they need good habits. I'm at a place at my life where I could hit sell instantaneously. Just hit sell.
Just hit sell.
That's where I am in my life where I would have taken this trade. I'm just being honest. And there it goes. What are you gonna do? Because not a lot of them are not there yet where they can hit sell. I was short at the break of this trend, shortly entry. Very good. Lost on the narrow. Nice. He already said he was messing with people and he is passing the torch. We're at the same level as you, Professor. Your book is awesome. Thank you, bro. Professor, I know you use Weeble. I really wish Weeble would allow the red arrow. I know, Michael. Me too. I miss the arrows, bro. I miss the arrows too. Enjoying your book, How to Be a Consistent Trader. Very well written. Love the details. Thank you, Helena. Cheers to you. Thank you. Good morning, Professor. Great display of discipline right there. Thank you, Aladino. Appreciate it. Over to Josh. Tell me, are you from the Netherlands? Iceland? I'm asking, bro. Seriously. Tell me. I want to know. It's bothering me because when I went to Iceland, almost everyone had your name. So I just want to know. Professor, you trade gold? No. MES, MQ, and NQ. Yeah. And there it goes. Huh. What are you gonna do? By the way, I will be live, one more live before I leave for Mexico. I leave for Mexico next month, even though my mentorship starts in July. I will be in Mexico. I'm not saying the exact date I'm leaving, but I will be in Mexico next month. My last live, sorry, not last live, my finale live before I leave for 3 months will be, I will live trade MES again. And then I'm out of here. And then I'll be live on Instagram on a regular basis from Mexico. I paid for an entire 4-acre resort for myself. Well, my students too. But it's a 4-acre private resort. Nobody else is there but me. 3 mansions on the resort. So yeah. Professor, you're looking handsome. Guys, I appreciate you. Thank you. Damn it, I appreciate it. Thank you for your levels. Appreciate it. Market opens in 2 minutes. Alright guys, once the market opens, I'm not going to talk to you. I'm not going to talk to you. I will cover the chat. What do you like better about Weeble? George, the analytics. I can track my analytics better. That's it. Everything else is the same. Professor, I just want to say thank you for all you do. Why are you guys being so appreciative today? What's going on today? Thank you guys. I appreciate it. You know what? If you really appreciate it, you should be commenting, liking, sharing. That's what you should be doing. But I just want to say thank you. Hey, Professor, hope you're doing well. Thanks again for the live. You're welcome, Tomas. Closing the trade at 9:29. If it doesn't hit my stop, then I want boom. Okay. All right. Market opens in 1 minute. All right, guys. I'm covering the chat. I'll see you later. I'm gonna cover the chat so I can focus on taking the trade. So yeah. All right. Chat is covered. You got it under control, madam. Thank you. All righty. Here we go. 30 seconds, market opens. that out of the way. All right, market's open. Here we go. Let's see if you get a test of that 7-Eleven again. That sell zone. By the way, if anybody was short in pre-market, I hope you sold. I hope you sold. That's why I like to trade from 905 to 925. Clean trend, I'm done. I don't care what happens later. If I want to check it, I'll check it. There we go. Let us get a clear direction. Can I get more water, please? How to get over there?
Because I was in the center.
And
I was taking pictures.
Gotcha.
And
You got to use the mason jar with my school emblem on it. That always looks good.
they all taste like tangy.
The mason jars?
That's what
Gotcha.
you said, yeah.
Oh yeah, valid. I'll buy more, and then we'll, find a way to separate which one is what. Thank you.
What time frame are you in?
This one, I believe, is 1 minute.
That's a 1 minute.
Is it 1 minute? Yep. Yep, 1 minute. Oh, let me fix my contract size. We'll do 25 contracts. The hardest thing about trading is what I'm doing right now, waiting. Literally, the hardest thing about trading is what I'm doing right now. You know, the beauty of futures is you don't need much money. You don't need much money. Just $500 in your account, MES, few contracts, $200 to $300. I know you're like, no way. I'm not here to make you believe anything. I'm just here to tell you the truth. That's the thing though, right? I'm not here to make you believe. I'm here to tell you the truth. There's a difference here. Some of you believe some weird stuff. I'm just here to tell you the truth. No clear direction. We just wait. We just wait. What time did I end the live right last time? Like at this time? Do you remember?
It was like 9:40 something.
Okay.
9:50.
No, but this time we're gonna do it proper. Excuse me, I'm not gonna rush it. No clear direction. I believe we're going to break through. I think the boom candle is coming. I'm going to lower my position size. I like the way it's setting up. I think we're about to get the boom candle. Break through that 5,711. I'm in. To hit sell, I tap and I'm out this trade. See a knock knock boom forming. Got crazy volume coming in. About this, we should see it in 2 more candles. We're back in the sell zone and we're battling that sell zone. But there's a knock knock boom forming. And I believe in a couple candles we'll get the boom candle. If that boom candle fails, then there goes that. But it looks like it wants to break through. Again, it's in the 5th edition book. I don't know what page, but it's in the book. I lowered my position size because we are close to that sell zone. We got to break that 711. If we don't break that 711, I'm hitting sell. I am on the sell button. 1 click and I'm out. No screw ups this time. I live and I learn. Still holding. We're still holding. New candle in 5 seconds. I'm out. Trade 1. Okay. Let's see. And that's why you hit sell. All right, we'll try another round. We are still bullish for the day. But a lot of sideways action. Make sure I cover when I go exit full screen. It's going to show my account number here. So make sure I'm covering it.
Okay, when are you going to do that?
Oh, whenever I do. I'm just going to say, all right. No clear direction. Sideways. Since 8:40 a.m., we're back in this sideways. Madam, can I get more water, please? And that's the power of hitting sell. Thank God.
You went long.
Yeah. The overall trend on the higher time frames. Everything on the higher time frame just says long. I should have hit sell within that sell zone, but I saw a knock knock. And it looked like the boom candle, but that was failed. This was supposed to be the boom candle, but it failed on the higher time frames.
So it's going to be the third one up.
Well, it failed as of now.
Yeah.
That one was supposed to be it.
But if it goes that
Let's see.
yeah.
Let's see. What's the joke?
Don't even look at the contract. I'm going to put it
What is he? Go for it.
for you. You're so stupid.
It's okay. And there he goes back in the buy zone. Something funny? Look. We're going to break this down later tonight. One trade so far, red. We'll break that down later tonight. Again, I'll be live 8 p.m. breaking down all of this. We got 2 more trades. I take 3 trades total. So let's see. One plus side is I lowered my position size, knowing that I was going in halfway here. Now we wait. No direction whatsoever. We wait. Again, all you do is wait. You don't jump in. You don't try to say, I'm going to get my money back. You just wait for a better opportunity to line up. What the? Just look at this.
Just get out.
Goddamn. I accidentally clicked it.
Get out.
Wait. Happy. I like the way it was lining up.
Yeah.
Guys, I accidentally clicked buy. Let me get this off the trigger finger. Okay. I like the way it was lining up.
Yeah.
That's why. We're going to go back in the buy zone. Let's see.
Yeah, we'll wait.
No, I know.
Don't force trades. You told me
You're right. Thank you. You're right. I'm not. Okay. That one was accident, but once I was in it, I'm like, okay.
Yeah,
But you know what's funny?
Switched into the, I might as well.
Might as well. You know what's funny? I wanted to see something that I know is not there. No, you're right. Thank you. Appreciate it. No, you're right. You're right. But I was seeing a good short back down. But you're right. Clear direction. You're right. Not going to argue with you. You know what's funny about traders? If this would have gone here, I'm like, damn. If it would have gone up, thank you for telling me to get out. How funny is that?
Yeah.
Because I like it lining up for a short.
Yeah, but it's way too.
No, it's undecisive. No, of course, it's chop. We're going to wait for clear direction. Every time frame is just showing chop across the board. You're 100% right.
Yeah. Usually at 10 it speeds up.
It needs to find its place.
Yeah. I like trading it too.
Once we get clear moves, we'll make it happen. We're stuck back in the range, yeah. Slowly going down. I want clear direction. If we just wait for clear direction moves, then everything will be good.
Yeah. It's making lower lows. I mean lower highs.
It is 9:52 a.m. Eastern. No clear direction right now. We're still sideways. Looks like it does want to push down into my buy zone here, which is at 5,687. For those asking, they keep asking on the ticker, I bet. It's in the thumbnail, ladies and gentlemen.
I keep telling you.
I know, but people, I don't know, don't read. I don't know how to explain that, but it's literally in the thumbnail you click. It literally says the ticker. Remember, not everyone reads. This is the problem in society. This is going down. Direction is shifting now.
Yeah. Without force of trade.
No, I'm not. I'm not going to force it.
Okay.
I love the TRUMP market, not only because of the volatility, but the fact that you can make money a lot faster in less amount of time. But then the other issue is a lot of undecisiveness, a lot of these type of moves. See, I should have stayed in. I told you,
It was in
dude.
the middle of
No,
the
I know. I'm messing with you. I'm messing with you.
Up there, yeah, it would have been amazing.
No,
if
I
you had
know.
taken that.
That was the goal. But
Yeah,
again,
no.
I have to follow the charts. Because I follow the charts. This is my sell zone. I already wrote it here, right?
Yeah.
Did I delete it?
Yeah, it was in
Oh,
the
okay.
sell zone, so.
Yeah. No, you're right.
Yeah.
The higher time frames were pointing up.
Sometimes it.
No, I know. That's why I hit sell. If I didn't hit sell, look.
Right.
Yeah.
That's the good part. That's the best part of it.
For those that took the short, for those that did your own thing, from here, you get out once it gets in this zone. Once it gets in this zone, that's where you hit sell. But if you really want to hit full sell, 5,687 is my next level. That's where you do it. Today would have been a great short. One good trade, and done.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, we live to trade another day.
Yeah. Do you think it's too separate? I don't know.
What does two separate mean?
Like
The level too far away?
Yeah.
No, you'll see it. Watch. Give it its time. Anyone saying anything funny?
Not anymore. This girl keeps asking. Stuff. I was like, just like having a conversation.
Okay.
Yeah, don't read the cards. Focus.
Okay.
Focus.
By the way, for those watching, my Puerto Rico video drops in 2 weeks. The trailer dropped this morning, where we live traded in Puerto Rico. A whole week of live trading. Every day was green. Praise God. The week was a green week. So you'll see all of that happening in the next 2 weeks. But the trailer's out today. See, now I would say, could I hit sell? The emotions of a trader. You know, it's funny. I saw that for the first time when my father had his heart attack years ago. In the hospital room, they had a thing, a checkboard next to him. Check, what smiley face are you today? Happy, sad, like what smiley face? The pain. I was like, this is hilarious. Like we should have one for a trader.
Yeah, yeah.
We're starting to get. Okay, relax, 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 relax. Talk about no clear direction. God help us. Yep, all the higher time frames now are showing undecisiveness.
This is very like choppy.
It's okay. These type of days either make traders or break traders and then affect their confidence. Just wait. For those asking what I'm watching or what I'm waiting for, maybe if you didn't even say it, what am I thinking about? Just a clear move. If you notice, what do you notice? Flood the chat. I can't see the chat, but I'll look at it from the side from my assistant's laptop. But what do you notice? What do you notice? Like, what do you notice this entire morning? What do you notice? Tell me what they say, madam.
They keep saying choppy and no clear direction.
No clear direction, choppy, very good. We're headed back into the sell zone. Red, sell zone, green, buy zone.
It's stuck in a zone.
Sorry?
They say it's stuck in a range.
Yep. We wait. We wait. Yeah, I'm not touching this unless 7-Eleven gets broken or we get below a certain level.
Yeah.
That's it. That's the only way to trade this.
Smart.
There's no other way. You know, you could take a trade here and there within this range and be like, yay, I did it. And then do it on another day and be like, damn, what just happened? But I could have played the short from here. But it's all good. Let's see what happens at 7-Eleven. 5,711. Let's see what happens there. No direction at all. I'm going through the time frames. We got to break that 7-Eleven. That's it. That 5,711 has to break, retest. Yeah. We've just been stuck here. The whole time. What? Point to it. Which one?
He keeps going.
Oh, okay.
This one, that's very true.
Read the one that says Sergio. Because there's nothing happening right now. Guys, let me look at the chat because there's nothing really I can do. I have to wait for a clear move. I can't do degeneracy. I haven't been on a good while. This is very different now. Peaceful. Why do you say that, Sergia? Sergio. Oh, man, I can't. Serioga?
Yeah.
Serioga. Why do you say that? After big moves all the week overnight, it's in a tight core. 100%, Gigi. That's a good point. I was wondering why you didn't short on your sell zone buy in your buy, but realistically, when it's choppy, there's no telling when it'll break 100%, Tomas. And plus, and I'll answer that for you now, Tomas. I'm going to talk about this tonight, but I'm going to answer that for you now. The knock, knock, boom on the higher time frames. You know which one I'm talking about. So, boom. Why is crypto saying I was wrong, y'all?
So he was telling people to short earlier, like on the chat.
Crypto?
No,
Gotcha.
No, not crypto, this.
No, you know, I'm saying, why is crypto saying I was wrong?
Oh, yeah, sorry, yeah.
Why is he saying he's wrong?
Because earlier in the chat he was telling people to short.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Well, that's why I said hands off, sideways. That's why I said nothing. Take hands off.
Yeah.
It's sideways action. It's been like that all morning, even in pre-market. So boom. So boom. Yep, everyone got it in the comment section. I'm scanning through your comments. Love the music. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. All right, I'm shutting off the chat. I mean, I'm not looking at the chat. All right, we're back in the sell zone. Here we go again. Back exactly where I hit sell. Sorry, I didn't hit sell. I hit sell around this area. So like I said, I'm not taking a trade unless we break out the range. That's it. My hands are in the air. My hands are in the air. I'm not doing anything until we have clear direction. It's that simple. If I have to stay here for 2 hours, you know what? I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. Take it from there. The best ones come from there.
Yeah. I just like wanted to catch what you said.
I got you.
I'll clip it to like.
All right. My bad.
Yeah, it's okay.
So clear moves. Nothing more, nothing less. Nothing more, nothing less. If I have to teach you one thing, will be good habits. If I have to teach you one thing, good habits. We're going to wait to break of 7-Eleven, hold above. And the next one is 732. Okay, that's doable. That's not something that will take like 3 hours to get there. If this goes sideways for 20 more minutes, I'm not going to. I take that back. I don't want to stand here for an hour.
I was gonna say.
Yeah, no.
You never say.
Yeah, I'm not.
But I get the message you're trying to send.
Yeah. No, this is good. Let's see how it turns out. Let's see how this turns out. All right, round 2. Let's do it. Almost back in the sell zone. Almost back in the sell zone. Let's see. Here we go again. Now it's going to take another opportunity to break through that 7-Eleven. Let's see. I'm not getting in right now. No. Above it. Break out of the zone. Here we go. It's lining up to do it again. Here we go again. For those of you that would have said, "See, Professor, you should have never hit sell." Please, madam, move back. You're in the camera. No, it's okay. For those of you that said, "Professor, see, you should have never hit sell," please don't think like that. No, this thing could have gone down all the way to Hades. No. Don't think like that. You just hit sell. This thing could have just kept going. It could have been a much worse one. But we'll look at that later. Not touching this until we break 711. I'm going to keep saying that as many times as I can. We're not taking this until it breaks 5,711. We break out of this zone. I'm not touching it. No way, no how. It looks like it wants to, man. It looks like it wants to. By the way, you know what I wanted to do today? I didn't get to because I did what I did. This is what I wanted to do today, just so I could show you this. Oh, do I have to use the mouse? Or it lets me do it with touch? Will you let me do it? Yeah. So buy above that, right? I want to go long. Cool. And take profit. A little bit below there, which I could set here. Let me show you. This is what I wanted to do today. Maybe we'll try it in June when I go live again. Are you going to work? You don't want to work? Okay. Sell. A little bit below so I could get filled. And the stop, I can't put it now, but the stop would be, actually, can I? I think I can put it here. Okay. I don't know if it might do something weird and fill it or do something crazy. Let me just use the mouse. And I'll put my stop loss here. Like that. That's what I ultimately want to do. I don't know if you can see it, but once it got above, it'll get triggered and then all the way up there. But like sideways central, we're back at it again. We're back at it again. So yeah. That's what I ultimately want to do a class on, a live. Just off of that, where you don't have to stress it so much. You, excuse me, you leave it and forget about it. You know, I don't know if Mr. Armand Medina is watching, or Eugene is watching, or Jennifer. Remember how Armand, you said to me, Mr. Armand Medina, Professor, every time I walk away, it makes that big move I was waiting for. I know, Armand. I know, me too. Me too. Me too, my brother. All right, I thought it was going to break, but I guess not. What they saying? What they saying? This night might not move until 11:30. Why are we calling it a sell zone? When? What is we buy? Not when? Where we? I don't know that. Just drag the stop loss lower. I think the real move will come in after 12. It's Gray from September. Mentorship. I don't stop in much anymore. Hey, Gray! I miss you, bro. I miss you. Come back, my brother. Gray, I miss you. Where you at lately? Where are you traveling to? What part of the world are you at? Did you ever end up in Thailand or Bali? Where are you at? I miss you. Stop by, man. It's free for you. Stop by. Madam, I'm going to give this 5 more minutes.
Yeah.
I don't want to stand here for hours. Let me see what's so far. No direction. No direction. No direction. I'm still bullish. For the rest of the day, I'm still. Most of the time frames are undecisive. All right, let me stop this. All right, not yet. When I walk away, make sure I X this out. I wish they had the arrows, because if I trade after when it happens, I can still talk about it, even though I'd rather do it live. But let me turn the AC on. You hot? By the way, is anyone in this trade? Is anyone in this? Did anyone take some? Let me see. Let me get the chat. There's nothing happening. I can look at the chat. Is Armand in the chat? Did he show up? No? Okay. I agree 100% with Armand. Setup is not sexy at all. Correct. It's just going to chop. Yup. Good day, Professor. What's up, Steven? We are making higher highs, but still haven't broke 511, so we have to wait. No degens here. No gen. Yup. Agreed. And back we go again. I'm going to sell an NQ. Okay. Finally, a day to learn with you. Guys, ask some questions. I can't do anything, so you got my attention. If I go short, I'll go short if it breaks my level. Me too, Chris. I made 300 in and out, but too risky. Very good, Alex. Glad you know that. Glad you know that. Just know if you take risky trades, lower your position size. But Gray, come back. I miss you, man. Come back to class. I know you're an active crypto trader, and crypto hasn't been the best lately either. Hasn't been the best lately either. What are you looking for here? Mr. Park, a clear move, break out of this zone. This consolidation, that's what I'm looking forward to. Hey, Professor, I have a level at 5707, right? Would it be wrong to have shorted at that level but place a stop loss? Correct. Candle close above it. Yeah, that's fine, Chi. Mustafa, FOMC member speaking. That is wise. No direction. Yup. That's usually what happens, Mustafa. Yup. 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 And back we go into the buy zone. We are back. Let me cancel that. Let me cancel that. Let me zoom in. We are now back in that area. Let's see if we break out of this. Can we go for a short? Yeah, so we could actually do that. So let's see. Let me zoom in. There we go. Not yet. Like I said, we have to break out of the zone. We have to break out of the zone. By the way, if you were short, this is your sell area. This is your sell area. If this breaks 5687, I'm taking a short down to 5675. Is that pushed down? Adam, can I get some more water, please? Thank you. Yeah, it's raining heavy. At least they got it right today. Past 2 days, it's gonna rain, it's gonna rain. It was beautiful past 2 days. Why do you use the 1 minute chart? I use multiple time frames. I just have 1 minute to have it be clear on the smart board. That's all. I just want to say I really like what you do. I'm finally getting your first book this weekend. Appreciate you, Charles. Thank you. What do you like that I do, Charles? Tell me. Hopi, the sideways action was like in the last mentorship in March. Was waiting. Yeah. I took a quick short on that though. I got you. What's your name, Hopi? What's your real name? I have all your books, made a little bit on WOO crypto today. Thank you for everything. You're welcome, Marie. All right, let's see what happens here. Been trading MNQ on the daily for more consistent plays. I love it. Yeah, that's a good way to go to it, Gray. Crypto has been so slow lately. I agree. I agree with you for doing that. It's Elgin. Oh, what's up, Elgin? What's up, my brother? Woo. Show me, remind me to look at Woo later chart. I want to see what that looks like. WOO. And touch of that support line. I've been doing horrible lately, trying to go hold long when I see moves.
Stop reading.
Okay. All right. Guys, I gotta hide the chat. She wants me to focus on the chart. She's right. All right. I'm not looking. So this was the ultimate short, should have been. Could have got out here, of course. And if not, boom. Not yet. I'm gonna look at shorts, but not right now. By the way, if you were short, this is your exit area. I'm just saying, if you were short, this was your exit area. No one should be going long anymore. That long is out the window for now. No one should be going long as of now. See what I meant earlier on the live? Driving on one direction, you got on the wrong side of the road, quickly turn around. Now we wait for a retest and we get ready to lock and load on a short. Boom. All right, thank God we have more levels. Now we have some clean moves. See how it's stopping at that level? From here to here, look at that stop. That's the point of having key levels. We wait for a pullback. We don't get in after a drastic drop like that. By the way, a buy zone becomes a sell zone. Keep that in mind. A buy zone becomes a sell zone. Actually, I could do what I wanted to do with you guys. Yes. All right, I'm going to place a buy limit order. Boom. The stop is right there. And take profit. I got to do what I wanted to. Here we go. Done. I don't have to touch the screen anymore. Limit for the short, stop, and take profit. This is it. All right, first time doing it on live like this. Let's do it. That's it. You know, I drank all that water. I gotta pee like crazy. Don't sit like that. You're gonna hurt your neck. See the way you're sitting? Don't do that. You're gonna hurt your neck. Sit straight. When this is about to initiate, record this, please.
Yeah.
When it gets closer to my, please.
Oh, I feel so tired.
Why are you tired? You went to sleep late? What time did you go to bed? 11? Okay.
I'm really hungry.
Sorry?
I'm really hungry.
Go have some yogurt.
When you're finished,
Okay.
we're almost done.
See what I mean? For those that probably took a short right here, oh my God, it's gonna go lower. After a major drop, you get a bounce. And then let's see, either a continuation down or back up, we'll see. I have everything ready to go. This is the plan. For my short, starts here, stop loss above the zone, and take profit up below there. Let's see. I'm going to place my entry a little higher. I want to place it where people are putting their stop losses. I'm going to actually place it right here. People's stop losses will be here. I'm going to get entered when they hit their stop loss. So I moved it a little up. And if it doesn't get there, well, it doesn't get there. I don't even need this. Let me erase that. Again, the power of having support resistance levels. As you can see, look where it stopped, look where it's holding. That's why when people say they don't work, I say, sure, whatever you want to believe. But if you notice, it's just holding there. You need to have profit targets. You need to have specific areas to buy and sell. It didn't retrace. That's fine. That's fine.
Do you want me to give them the levels?
Yeah. The levels? Yeah.
What is it? I can't really read.
The levels are 5675.75 And the next one is 5668.
Okay. 5, 6, 7, 5,
All right. And look what it did.
5, 6, 7,
Again, what did it do? Stop at the next level. See what I mean? Do you see what I mean? By the way, I deleted my take profit because it might have triggered for a buy for long. I don't know if it would have done that, but I didn't want to risk it. So, point being, that's why you need to learn to do it. Because without it, you can't. I'll play the patience game. Looks like it wants to break the next level. We got a knock going here. Remember, if I didn't hit sell in here, look what it would have ended up happening. Give me a hands up, you would have never hit sell if you went long here. You would have never hit sell thinking that it was going to just go bounce back, as they say. It's going to go back up. Everyone's favorite line to say, it's going to go back up. We have to stop thinking that it's going to go back up. Keep that in mind. Don't think these things. All right, listen, I'm going to use the bathroom. I'm going to write a question on the board. I need you to answer that question for me. What makes a good trader? Flood the chat. I'll be back. I really got to pee. Boom. I'm going to mute the microphone, madam. All right, we are back. Can you guys hear me? Check 1, 2. Check, check. Is the sound working? Because I want to make sure it's working, because I don't know if I clicked the wrong buttons or something. There's always something. All right, say yes if you can hear me. Thumbs up. Patience and following your rules, very good. Patience, 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 patience. What makes a good trader? Following your plan, knowing when to hit sell, patience, following your plan, waiting for the A. What's up, Mar? Have patience, hit sell, correct, correct, correct. Very good. And it's now struggling at the next level of support, as you can see. We hear you, following the rules of the game, being consistent. Yes, it's working. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. So, yeah, let's go back. Same, it's still holding there. It is still holding. If you notice, it literally, from sell zone to this level, to this level, to that level. If you notice, whoa, what a pump it's happening right now. Look at that. This is why you hit sell at key levels of support resistance. Professor, I took a short from 5692, made some profits. I followed page 100. Let's go, gameplay. Let's go, game. Put a real name there. Put a real name there. Good. Praise God on your profits, my brother. Mashallah. Now, if you notice, look at this little pump that just happened. Battled that level of resistance, and it's coming right back down. Look at that. Boom. I'm in the mood to stay. I'm going to stay on live. Yeah, I'm in the mood. I'm in the mood. That's what I'm struggling with lately. Patience. Camilla, you're going to struggle with that forever, because that's a forever battle. Forever battle. Forever battle. All right, so let's see. Let's see what the higher time frames are showing us. It's okay. I'll fix it. Wherever that came from, I'll fix it later. What did you bang into just now?
Like the corner.
It's okay. I'll fix it. I don't know where that came from, but we'll figure it out. No worries. Sorry?
There's a hole here?
It's okay. No, that's not a hole. That's the fabric. That's the fabric of the lights. All right, let's see what happens here. Here we go again. Let's see. Madam, gentle. Gentle, gentle, gentle. No, it's okay. Just be a little gentle. Traded MNQ, Green Day. Good seeing you. Have a great day. Hey, Eric. Mashallah, brother. Come on. Good morning. What's up, guys? All right, I'm going to cover the chat, because now the candle's starting to make some action again. So I'm going to cover the chat. My assistant will be back in the chat. So, okay, I got to pay attention now. All right, here we go. Another round up. Let's go. This is what I tell you guys. If I can repeat one thing again and again, is I'll repeat this. After a drastic fall, you get a bounce up. Another fall, bounce up. So don't ever take the short after the drastic fall. You just have to wait it out now. Every time frame now is bearish. Almost all of them. Let's see. It's battling this level of resistance now. If you notice, look at this battle happening right here. Why aren't you getting yogurt? You said you were hungry.
Yeah, no.
Go? Yeah. Just gently. Have the vitamins too. Let me cancel the sell limit. If anything, I could take a trade within that area. I'm going to stay with you guys. I'm going to stay with you guys. Why not? I'm in the mood. I am in the mood to stay with you guys. Why not? Kendrick, the ticker is on the thumbnail. You have to learn to read, my brother. It's on the thumbnail. If you look at the thumbnail, it literally says what I'm trading. That's why we put it on the thumbnail. You guys click on it before you enter the class, so... You're welcome, Simon, Justin. You got it. I'm in the mood. Usually I'm like, quick, I'm out. But if I'm in the mood for it, I'll do it. Why not? This is how I trade anyway, like this. Just like this, literally. Got my multiple time frames, and this is literally how I trade. All right, we're retesting that level of resistance. Here we go again. I truly want to take the short at that 687 level. 5,687. That is a major level of resistance. That's where I truly want to go in for this trade. So let's see. The question is, will it go there? I remember you from the 2020 COVID days. What's up, Cav? I've still been here. I've still been here. Matthew, what time frame are you placing your trades on? Read the book. It's all in the book. Read the book. First this one, then this one. By the way, a buy zone becomes a sell zone. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. How much money are these trades making? I'm not in a trade yet, Paulino. You're welcome, Matthew. Yeah, I'm gonna show you true patience today. True patience. I truly want to take the short within this area right here, 687. That's it. That's where I really want. I think that's where the biggest bang for your buck comes in. We'll see. We'll see. How many contracts? Right now I'm at 25, but I might, let's see what happens. But I might increase it because this might be a nice A+ setup coming up. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Here we go. Like I said, if I ever have to, today's going to be the master class on patience. Let me ask you a question. Would you rather make $0 today or break even or a small loss? Flood the chat. Which one? Can you show us how you display the multi-time? Read the book, James Bond. Read the book. It's in the book. It's all in the book. This one. Zero, break even, 0, 0, 0, 0, live to trade and live to trade another day. Correct. Remember that. I'm getting into the short. I like the way it's been rejecting that area right there at 675. Candle close above 675 for the stop loss. That 675 is strong as hell. Look at that 5,675. Look at that battle happening right on top of it. Madam, do me a favor, don't eat here, please. I don't want ants or bugs to come in the studio, please. Eat on that side. Thank you. And that candle closed above it. Let's see. There's a downtrend there that it's hitting right now. I call it an invisible downtrend. It's hitting that invisible downtrend. I don't have to make it, I can see it. Wait, it's hitting a downtrend.
More candles are in your favor.
It's hitting the downtrend. The body refuses to break that trend line. and it's breaking that trend right now. I'm at my original entry where I wanted to in a few more, 687. You know, I broke my rule. If three candles don't go my way. No, I know, but I was waiting for the break of that trend.
It was 4 candles, I told you.
You're right. 100% right. Now we're just at that next level of major resistance.
Well, yeah.
We're back at 687. Let's see. And then I'm just going to hit sell. Here. You can hit it for me.
How does that work?
Just
Is that for
take
mouse?
the mouse and hit it on the X. But you need a keyboard pad. Get the keyboard pad you use over there.
Oh, it works on here. Oh, no, it doesn't.
This is where my original resistance is. You know what the thing is? I'm not adding to it. That's the key part. How many of you would be adding to this trade? Tell me that in the chat.
How does the X work?
Just click the X. You know what's funny? After this, if I take an NQ trade, 3 minutes.
Yeah.
That's the funny part.
So am I. I'm gonna get out. I think it's gonna push.
You're heading out? Go for it.
Unless you want me to. But I think it's
It's
gonna
at a knock-knock, unfortunately.
It's gonna push through, right?
Looks like it. Hold on. It's battling that 687. Every time frame is battling that 687. My accountant is emailing me. He goes, 12 o'clock, let's have a talk. Hit it. All right. I'm out. Red, second, are we going to count that mistake as a trade or no?
What mistake?
The second trade where I bumped into the thing and it hits.
That's not a trade.
No? Okay. All right, second trade, red. Let's go. Block that guy, Eden, please.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Boom. Masterclass on not following your plan on that one. But that 787. Let's go. All right, we're going to take a pause and then we'll look back at the charts. Can I get some water, please? Can you explain the knock knock boom? The knock knock boom is on this page. Is on this page. For those that have the book. Knock knock boom. It's in the page 93s. I think the 93 chapters. I think page 96, 97. Thank you. 96. Thank you, Tarek. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to end the live in a few. I got a call with my accountant, and I'm going to come back and do another live. Yeah. I'm in the mood. So, not yet, but this is what I'm going to teach you on this. I'm going to come back. Professor, do you drink that much water? Yeah, I drink. Let me see the container. I drink this container all day. This is the size. All day. There you go. So that's what I'm going to do. I am going to come back. I got a call with my accountant in 50 minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you what you do. 2 losses, right? So what you do is back off, take a breather, relax. That's 687. Madam, look.
Yeah.
That's right. We originally wanted to get in for a short. So yeah, what time will I be back? I don't know how long the call with the accountant's gonna be, but let me see. Hold on. I don't know how long he wants my time. 12. Let's do, if it's at 12, maybe 1. Let's aim for 1. Aim for 1 o'clock. Set your notifications, guys. Go to YouTube. Set your notification. Going short off your level. And look. Look. I told you, son. No, it's okay.
No, but you broke your rule.
No, I know. I did. I originally broke my rule.
You can't say I told you.
No, I know. You're right. I'm not going to argue. You're right. But I knew that 687. Look at that.
That's degeneracy.
No, you're right. But I'm supposed to wait for candle close above.
The epitome of it.
I'm short now. Good job. Get out, man. Good. Look at that. Well, one thing's for sure, my levels are pretty good.
Oh yeah, that's a good.
That's where my original short was. I literally said, when you left, I'm like, nah, it's okay. My literal original was 687.
Yeah, I know. From the start.
Damn. All right, I'm gonna go, but I will be back. I will be back at 1:15. 1:15. The market can be cruel like that. It's okay, Joey. It's okay. It's okay. It rejected at Parsons pivot. I don't know who Parson is, but okay. Levels are on point. Thank you. Perfect levels, Professor. You know why I'm laughing, right? That was supposed to be my original trade.
I'm laughing at the comment.
Block him, please.
Did you read it?
Yeah, I read it. It's okay. Bye, Saru. I'll see you. Good to see the professionals still battle with, of course. Of course. Come on, fat boy Flex. You can't think that. Think that we don't all battle our demons. You don't think that. I'm going to come back. I'm going to come back at 1:15. We'll trade again. We will trade again. Who took that short? What a glorious trade right there. What a glorious trade. All right, I'll be back. Let's go for 1:15. Trust me, you have to laugh sometimes, 100%. He read the market like a book. Boom. All right, I'll be back at 1:15. We will trade afterwards. Levels on point, found the book. Appreciate you. Levels on point. I just got in a little too early when that's where I was supposed to get in. All right, guys. May peace be upon you all. See you in 2 hours. Good night. Now, good night.